Okay, round two here. This is on some more advanced editing issues that will come up in exporting your images from Flash and editing them together in QuickTime. Some of you have been working with multiple shots in your movies, and I've got two here. I have these boxes, and I have these skulls here, and we'll test them really fast. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's got a wonderful little soundtrack. And here's the other one. Lovely. Okay, so I'm going to cut those two together, but I have to figure out a way to get both the images and the soundtrack together in QuickTime. So first of all, I need to export my movie. And I'm going to show you a problem that can come up with exporting to using this single frame or image sequence approach that we've been using, and it comes up when you've got movie clips instead of graphics out here in your stage. And I'll show you a really quick fix for that. Don't panic if you've been using movie clips. Okay, so File, Export, Export, Movie. Okay, and format will be PNG sequence. And I'm going to make a new folder so I can find it. Okay, and I'm going to get rid of that number, and I hit save. And again, make sure your resolution matches the resolution out here, which it should. And then set your colors to 24-bit. Do not include the alpha channel unless you are doing some intentional compositing. And say OK. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you here the problem that can come up when you're using movie clips as opposed to graphics in your animation. And I know we've been using movie clips to do certain things, so it can be a little bit unnerving sometimes. So, okay, we go out here to boxes, and sure enough, there are all of our individual frames, just to check that. Go to QuickTime Player, File, Open Image Sequence. And there we go, and hit open, and I'm running at 12 frames per second. But when I play this, nothing's happening. The animation is not going, and that's because I've got movie clips instead of graphics. So I'm going to say don't save, and I'll just take all these and throw them away. And go back to Flash, and I need to do a quick fix here. What I'm going to do is take all of these, select them all at once, and just go up here to Properties and change them to Graphics. And I'm going to repeat the same process that we just did. File, Export, Export Movie, Format PNG Sequence. I'm in my Boxes folder. Save. All these settings are still the same, 24-bit, full document size, 72, etc. Okay. Go back to QuickTime Player, File, Open Image Sequence. There they are. Okay. And now they work. Just by changing it to a graphic, it works for exporting frame by frame. Now, once I've got these rotated and I still don't have any sound, so I need to do that same rigmarole where I go back here and choose File, Export, Movie. Instead of a PNG sequence, I change this to QuickTime. I'm going to give this a different name. Save. Box Audio. Now, very important, I have to go down here to QuickTime Settings and turn, these will by default probably be on for you, but I'm going to turn them off. So I just want to have sound only. Sound only, no video, no prepare for internet streaming. And the default settings for sound are okay, uncompressed, 44.1 kilohertz, etc. Okay. And export. Okay, done. QuickTime Player, File, Open File, boxaudio.mov, open. There it is, because it's just audio only, there's no video attached to it. So what I'm going to do is double check my QuickTime Player. Help here. So if we've got this file open, that's good, and then say edit, select all on the audio file. So edit, select all, and this goes black here. And then choose edit, copy. Edit, copy. And then open the movie to which you want to add the audio. And then this is the trick, you have to make sure, oops, excuse me, whoa, yay. Make sure that your playhead is back at the very beginning or wherever you want to add the audio, or else it'll be screwed up. So I have to make sure my playhead for this movie is all the way back at the beginning. And then choose Edit, Add to Movie. And now I have my audio file, or my audio added to this video file. And it's beautiful. All right, cool. So I'm just going to do the exact same thing for the other clip. So I'll have two clips here with audio and video, and then I'll show you how to edit them together.